Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my idea by using this paper to decorate our wine and use them to decorate our table. Okay, now let's go. First of all, let's measure our wine. It's about 31 cm tall. Then cut our paper. Look, so I got the right angle with the top close to our wine. But I think I have made a mistake when I measure the wine. But anyway, let's go on. Okay, then very simple. Just fold the paper. Look, I will fold them like this way. Okay, open the paper. I like to fold the paper like this because we can take the line. That will be much more easy to fold the paper like this. Just like we are folding for the paper fan. Okay, open the fence. Just a little will be okay. Oh, sorry. Too much open. Anyway, like this. And then take our wine. And then use a ribbon to wrap on the bottle. Cut the rest off will be okay. But since I just make the sample, so... And then insert one leaf. Take on the paper. Look, completely, this is the effect. Okay, finally, I put a small flower and more leaf on it, so the come out will be much more pretty. In fact, you can use other flower branch or other decoration replace with this material and make the leaf larger. I think the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, now let's make the Miller plant and set up the table. Okay, so we got our Miller pen. Look. Now let's set up the table. Very simple. Just put the Miller pen on the table and our bottle. And let's decorate with some candle. Okay, now let's check the effect. Okay, let's check it. What do you think? Do you like this idea? Let's zoom in for the detail. Look. It's very easy to make and come out very pretty. It will help you to cut costs if you use this idea for your event. And the come out will be much more pretty if we put it in darker environment. Okay, finally, let's check the effect if I put this 2 white decoration on our other idea, the fence runner. What do you think? I think the color not much match. If we change the fence with pink color, I think the come out will be much more pretty. And by the way, if you are interested to watch the tutorial about how to make the fence runner and the effect without these 2 white decoration, you can click here for the old tutorial. I just put it on this idea to check the effect. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.